Dear children, let us see one of the theorem of 10th standard of unit triangle, which is related to the area of a similar triangle. So let us see what the statement of the theorem says. So this is a theorem related to the area of similar triangles. The statement says that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of their ratio of their corresponding sides. It means suppose there is a two triangles in this way. Let us name it as triangle A and let me name it as triangle B. So if it is corresponding side is P, it's Q, it is R, and it is S, and it is X, and suppose if it is Y. So what it states that the area of a triangle A divided by area of triangle B will be equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides means here P is corresponding to Q, R is corresponding to S, whereas X is corresponding to Y. That will be equal to P square by Q square, which is equal to R square by S square, which is equal to X square by Y square. That's what the theorem states. So here the triangle A and triangle B are there. Their areas ratio, that what I have mentioned here, area of triangle A divided by area of triangle B, which will be equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is P square by Q square is equal to R square by S square is equal to X square by Y square. So let us start the theorem now. So it starts with a diagram. Here we have considered two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So data, what he has given that these two triangles are similar to each other. That is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So here on the basis of data, once the two triangles are similar, we can write that their corresponding sides ratios are equal. Here AB is corresponding to DE, BC is corresponding to EF, and AC is corresponding to DE. Therefore, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So based on the same data, we can also write that angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. That's what we have written here. The next part is that what I have to prove. As I mentioned before in the statement that here we have considered only one corresponding side. That is area of triangle ABC, this area of this triangle divided by area of this triangle DEF, which they are both similar to each other, is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So here we have taken the corresponding sides of what? I have considered only about BC and EF. So that will be equal to BC square by EF square. So we have mentioned here. Right. So the next thing is that we have to have the construction. In the construction part, what we have considered that draw AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to EF. So the next part, that is proof. It consists of two parts, that is statement and reason. The first thing what we are going to write, that is about the area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to half of base into height. Here base is what? If the ABC triangle, BC is the base, AM is height, half of BC into AM, what we have written here. Whereas of this triangle we have written half EF into DN, that is base into height. So here half of get cancelled. What we are left with? BC by EF and AM by DN. So I am going to call this equation as number one equation. So the next step what we are going to do is I am going to compare between the left side of both of a triangle. In both of triangle, left of the triangle, what is there? We are going to consider that is ABM and DEN. You can also choose AMC and DNF. It's left to your wish. But here I have considered ABM and DEN. So in order, I am going to show that these two triangles are similar to each other. So since I have to prove that the two triangles are similar, I have to use one of the criteria, that is A criteria, SAS criteria, or SSS criteria. Here we are knowing that here one angle is 90-degree based on the construction, that is when we have considered these two parts of the triangle, here it is making a 90-degree, and again one of the angle B and E is same. Why? Because here given data is there. So according to this, the first thing is what? ABM is equal to, it means this angle is equal to DEN, this angle there, because of what we have taken in a data. He has mentioned that since the two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles has to be equal. Therefore, this is, that is ABM is equal to DEN according to given data. The next thing is, according to the construction, we have made what? AM is perpendicular to BC and DN is perpendicular to EF. Therefore, they both make a 90-degree, that is AMB is equal to DNE is equal to 90-degree by construction. Now, the two triangles become similar based on AI criteria. So once we have proved that the two triangles are similar based on AI criteria means angle criteria, then I can say that their corresponding sides ratios are equal. What is that? AM by DN is equal to AM by DN is equal to AB by DE. That is, here he has mentioned AM by DN is equal to AB by DE, according to what? Since the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides ratio must be equal. So, but according to the given data, we know that this BC by EF, this one, here we have marking BC by EF is equal to AB by DE. By the given data, I have written that BC by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AB by DE. Now I am going to call this equation as number 3. The reason is we have got by the given data. Then when you compare the equation number 2 and equation number 3, you can see that AB by D is equal to AB by D on the right hand side. They both are same. Since the right side is same, automatically the left hand side has to be same because of the axiom 1, that is things which are equal to the same things must be equal to one another. Therefore, AM by DN is equal to BC by EF. So now thing we have got here, that is what? BC by EF is equal to AM by DN. In place of AM by DN, we are going to replace